Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this will be the part 2 of the video how to troubleshoot mic problem. So I'm using this 3-pin mic because it's very common, and if you have the knowledge from here you can also solve other problems. So the part 1 I talked about this point, this ground, but this part 2 we are going to talk about these 2 points here. These 2 points. One is the positive and the other is the audio signal. Audio signal. So it needs an audio signal to produce the sound. So this one is the positive. Well, you can see the line is going, leading into this area. From there, it will go to this connector. So this one is the positive. If you check it carefully, see where it's going. If I take the other motherboard, if I use this one, you'll see that you can see it clearly from here. You see it's going, it's moving from here. This track, follow the track from there. It goes, follow the track and it enters this connector. So this is the input voltage. It should be 1.8 or 1.2 input voltage. And then this one is the audio signal. You can see it clearly. This is the audio signal. It means that the signal, you see where it enters into this small hole. You see the small dot and goes on the other side. You can see it here. And it comes here. So if I use this board, you can see it clearly from here. This is it. So it comes here, this is the point, and then it enters and goes the other way around. You can see it from here. That is the audio signal. Now, what if this what if you don't have another board to replace and you have to change the mic? After changing the mic, but still it's not working. So what you are going to do, you are going to remove the mic, and then you are going to check if this one of these points is damaged. Then you will not have any, you're not going to, the mic is not going to work. Now, let's say for example that this point is damaged. This one is positive. You can see the track if you follow it. So I don't know whether you can see it clearly. If you follow the track, you can see the track is entering into this point. From here, it's going to pass and comes to the flex. Now what you are going to do is, you are going to use your multimeter, and then you are going to check. Let's check if the point is connecting. One on the point, and then the other you test to see if the point is connecting. Let's check and see. Can you see? It's connecting to a point here. You can see the point. So it means that this point is okay. It means that the point is okay. It's good. So if you place the mic well, it should work. Now let me see this other one. Let's check this one and see. Okay, I will not use this one because it will take us a little time. Because you have to check from here and see where it's getting into. Or simply, you can just follow. You can just follow the track, and then you are going to use your blade. I don't know whether you can see it clearly. Follow the track, then use a blade, and then you are going to scratch this end. You are going to scratch this end. So to do this, you can zoom your phone. You can put your camera, and zoom it. Then you try to scratch this end, and then connect the and then test if there's a connection between the 2 points. Scratch this end and then connect with your multimeter to see if the points are connected. So in this one, the points are connected. But if you test and you don't hear a beep, if you test and you don't hear a beep, it means that this point is damaged. So what you are going to do is, you are going to take the mic. You are going to take the mic, a 3-pin mic. you're going to take the mic, and then what you're going to do is you're going to use a wire. This is a wire, so you can see clearly. You're going to use this wire, and then you are going to take three wire. One, you're going to connect it from here, and the other one you're going to connect it from here, and then another one you're going to connect it at the side of this mic. Not, and you should be careful not to close the point, not to close it, the mouth of the mic. So you're going to place this at the corner. After that, you are going to connect the cable from there to this man. Connect it from here, and then this other cable you're going to follow. Connect it from this other guy from here, and then this one, the one that is bad, yeah, this one that is bad, you are going to connect it instead on this point, not on this one, but on this point. So it's like doing a jumper. You're going to connect it here. So if you do it correctly, everything will be working. So I've done this several times and it's working perfectly. So if you do it correctly by following the points and then connecting the wire, everything will be working. Another method is that, but this one could be a little bit difficult. What you can do is you can just jumper from here. You take a cable and you jumper from this point and bring it. You bring it to the point, to the positive point here. If you jumper it from here and bring it here, and now you can now place the mic on it. If you put the mic, then if you do it correctly, then everything will be working. If the problem is from this side, this audio signal, if the problem is from here, then you are going to do the same thing. You are going to connect the cables, one here, one on this side, but the other one, you are going to put it from this point. You see, you are going to put it here from this point, or you can put it on the other side. The points are connected. If I use my multimeter, you see that it's connected. See? See that the points are connected. So if you jumper it from there, it should work. So that is how you can troubleshoot mic problem. If you don't have a spare board to change, then after placing the mic is not working, then you have to use your multimeter to test those points, and then you can do jumper if one of them is damaged. So like I said, one is the positive, that's bringing the voltage. You can see clearly. One is the positive, this one. And then this one is the audio signal. And this one is the ground. So if any of the pin is not working, then you are going to have mic problem. And then you can troubleshoot it. So if you have not watched the part 1 of the video, you can go and check it on my channel. And then with the part 2, you are going to understand it carefully. And you can also apply this method to other mic problem. So this will be all for this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, if there's something you don't understand and you want me to explain more, send me a message. Or if there's something you want us to, like another subject that you want to learn, you can send me a message on the comment section and I will reply. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video.